everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I'm going to be doing a blue Louis Vuitton set. Gina from Nails with Gigi sent me these little stickers in friend mail and I absolutely fell in love with them. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I knew exactly what I wanted to do with them straight away, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be creating a design with these stickers. I have been seeing these nails floating around quite a bit lately that are kind of like got like multicolored sort of swirls on them, and they've been quite popular. They're really gorgeous. I've seen them in lots of different colours, quite simplistic nails really, but I knew that I wanted to create a set and I thought this was a perfect opportunity to create a cute little blue set. So I'm just starting off by going in with First Love from Model Ones. And I'm going to paint all the nails this colour. Excuse the fact that I've got some natural tips on and some transparent ones. I'm getting really low on nail tips now, so I know it looks a bit odd. I've not done it for any particular reason apart from the fact that I'm just getting really low on tips and I haven't got around to ordering any more yet. But yeah, I'm literally just going to start off by giving these a couple of coats all over. If I was doing somebody's nails or like my own nails, I would always use a base coat. To be honest, I never typically go in with a base coat on my practice hand. I just don't really feel the need to, so I don't typically bother. I do occasionally on videos, but yeah, very rare do I bother. Okay, so I have gone in, I've given these all 3 coats and I've cured them for 30 seconds in between. It's a really gorgeous colour, this one. I'm literally scraping the bottle and at this point I'm pretty sure it's probably expired too, but it's my practice hand so it don't matter. It's just a really gorgeous muted pink from Model Ones. I just really like it. It is sheer, it definitely does need the multiple coats, but once you've got there, and it's a really gorgeous colour. But I'm literally just going in now with a matte top coat because I'm going to be doing some freehand painting in a sec, which I always go with a matte top coat and freehand painting simply because it just makes it a lot easier for me to see what's going on. Because if I use a glossy, I find that the paint don't stick as well on a glossy anyway, but I also find that my big light reflects from a glossy top coat as well, which I've got bad eyesight anyway, but that just kind of makes it a bit more difficult for me when it's sort of reflecting. So I just like to use a matte top coat. I do get through a lot of matte top coat. I've got a random fibre there. Does anyone else get that with their gel polish, where they just find random like little fibres in there? Or is it just me? Is it just me being a mucky pup and getting crap in my balls all the time? Or is this a common problem that you all have? I would love to know because I'm forever finding little fibres in my gel polish. Right, so I'm just going to grab my little disposable palette there and I've grabbed a couple of blues. I've got this gorgeous blue from Ica. I really don't know how to pronounce them, I do apologise, but it's a really good brand, it's really affordable and great gel polishes. This one again also from the same brand, just a slightly lighter blue. I've got a darker blue again from the same brand, really gorgeous though. I'm going to be using this sort of off-white from Lime Girl. Again, really affordable gel polish. I did do a video on these which I'll link up here and in the description box if you'd like to check it out. I bought these as part of a starter kit from AliExpress, and yeah, the gel polishes is probably the only good thing out of it, but yeah, go and watch that video if you haven't already. And then finally I'm going to go in with this gold which is 093 from Emily. It's like quite a nice sort of sparkly gold. I'm not going to be using too much of this I don't think, but it's just sort of bring the gold from the Louis Vuitton stickers together with the gel polish, if that makes sense. Yeah, it's really gorgeous, that one. So as always, I'm going to be using my Akikai detailer brush. I got this from AliExpress. The best detailer brush I've ever used and also the most affordable. It is amazing. Okay, so I'm just going to dive into this one first. I'm not going to talk through each and every nail, I'm just going to do the one with you guys. And then I will speed through the rest, otherwise we'll be here all day. But I'm literally just going to keep taking a bit of each colour and I'm just going to do like a swirly line. It's quite small obviously on the baby finger. I'm probably going to have to go in with a second coat on that maybe. But yeah, I'm literally just going to paint a squiggly line like that. I'm going to cure it again for 30 seconds and then I'll come back, I'll do another colour, do another swirly line and I'll keep curing and you guys will see anyway. But yeah, quite a simplistic design today. Okay, so I'm going to do, yeah, a little bit of the dark blue now. And again, I'm just going to follow that squiggle that I've done on the first one. And try and sort of keep it the same thickness. So just like so. And I think on this next nail, I'm going to start off with that blue. Just to save a bit of time. Well, my Swirly line wasn't too great there, was it? Okay, and then I think I'm going to go in with this sort of off-white. It's pretty much white, but it's just not quite right. White. Getting so jumbled with my words, nothing bloody new, is it? But yeah, I'm just going to do the same again. Literally the most simplistic of designs, really, this one. But I've just seen so many different sets like this, and I just thought they looked so pretty, so cute, and just great for this time of year, really. And I'm going with the white on this one too. I'm trying to sort of define my squiggly line there because I didn't do a very good job the first time. Okay, then I'm going to go in with this final blue colour that I haven't used on the baby finger. And then finally, now that is all cured, I'm just going to go in with the gold, and I'm going to try not to do the line too thick with the gold. I just want a tiny thin little line just to sort of help it sort of come together with the gold from the Vuitton stickers, as you will see, and just like that. So I'm just going to cure that again, and then I'm going to top coat it. And I'm going to crack on and do the rest. I'm not going to bore you through talking you through every single nail, but I'm basically just going to be doing the same thing again, but just sort of changing up the colours in like a different order. And yeah, I'll whack on some music and I'll see you back once I've done that. Okay, so there we go, that is the pattern all complete. I really like how it's turned out. I'm just literally wiping it down with some IPA and then I'm going to matte top coat it. And now it's time for the stickers. I absolutely love these stickers so much. I love the colour of blue and I love the little cluster of the Louis Vuitton monograms on there. I just thought it's absolutely beautiful. And yeah, I'm using the Louis Vuitton logo on the ring finger. Just sort of trying my best to place it nice and central. It can be quite tricky sometimes to get it absolutely bang on, but I just think it just really looks so nice with all the blue from the Swirly pattern. I'm really happy with how it turned out actually. I think it's a really nice set. So it's that finger, and then I'm going on to the index finger where I'm adding that little cluster. And like this little cluster sticker just caught my eye as soon as I saw these stickers. I knew I had to use that cluster. I think it's absolutely gorgeous and just a bit different. So yeah, that's the stickers. Again, I'm just top coating absolutely everything, sealing it all in. And then I'm going to be adding some rhinestones. Normally I would use gem glue to adhere the gems to the nails. I couldn't actually find my gem glue today, so I decided that top coat would do. I'd never suggest just using top coat if you're doing somebody's nails or your own nails. Always use some form of gem glue. Top coat sort of temporarily holds them on, but it's not the most strong of things. You can get gem glue all over the place. But yeah, I'm just adding on rhinestones. I love these rhinestones. They're like blue, but they kind of have like a green and like a slightly gold sort of shift to them. They're really beautiful. They're one of my favourite rhinestones, and I thought they were just absolutely perfect for the set. I'm also adding on some gold metal rhinestones and a couple of clear AB ones as well. I'm not very good with my rhinestone placement. I tried to do something a bit different, but rhinestone placement's just not my strong point. But yeah, that's how a set turned out. I'm actually really happy with them. I really like them. I would definitely wear these myself. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed them too. So yeah, that's the end of the video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!